Hey everyone, today we're unboxing my new rod. It's an Orvis Clearwater combo. This is a 9-foot 8-weight in 6 pieces. It's a gift from my girlfriend. It's gonna be my travel rod. We'll bring it everywhere. Alright, let's begin. Yeah, do you got a sticker? So this is the reel. It's a large arbor in gray. I know, came with a bag. And that's the reel itself. The line is a Clearwater weight forward 8-weight. Came with a 25-year guarantee, but you need to register your rod online. Also comes with a sleeve. First piece. Nice. Alright, there we have it. Can't wait to use it.